We're going to begin, though, with the breaking news. You've heard about it all weekend. Hurricane Beryl made landfall in Texas this morning after strengthening overnight. Now, this is now a dangerous Category 1 storm with torrential rain and sustained winds up to 80 miles an hour. That's strong. Beryl made landfall between Galveston and Corpus Christi, and there are many fears that people did not get to evacuate in time. Omar Villafranca is in Galveston right now to bring us the latest. Omar, good morning to you. What are you seeing and hearing right now? I see you and hear you, Omar.
Good morning. Behind me is the Galveston seawall and the beach, and we are getting hammered right now by Hurricane Beryl. We've seen wind gusts of up to 70 miles per hour. Now, this storm has people along the Texas Gulf Coast on edge, and city and state leaders are urging people to take this storm seriously. With wind speeds up to 80 miles an hour, Hurricane Beryl bashed into Texas's Gulf Coast this morning just south of Houston. Torrential downpours lashed the city of Sargent, while waves and storm surge up to 7 feet slammed the beach.
For those of us that do live on the island, we're very well prepared in terms of the flooding.
Galveston residents were clearing supermarket shelves on Sunday and filling up on gas ahead of the storm. In Houston, parts of the city were flooded on Saturday before Beryl's arrival. As much as 6 more inches of rain could fall there in the next 24 hours. Houston's mayor urged residents to prepare.
Our worst enemy is our complacency. We can't allow this storm to slip up on us.
A disaster declaration has been issued for more than 100 Texas counties. As the state's lieutenant governor warned, the storm's path will impact communities inland in addition to along the coast. With potential impacts as far south as Corpus Christi, residents along the Texas coast were boarding up windows in anticipation of Beryl.
Once you've been through one and you see the storm and the rain and the wind, you want to be sure you're prepared.
Just 2 weeks ago, Tropical Storm Alberto flooded the Corpus Christi area. Ryan Dunn manages a waterfront bar impacted by that storm and says he's concerned about losing business during what's expected to be a very active hurricane season.
It's just the beginning of the hurricane season, like the very beginning. So it puts us at a little bit of fear.
While the wind gets all the headlines, it's the flooding and the storm surge that is the deadliest when it comes to hurricanes. In fact, over the last 10 years, more than half of the deaths are because of the flooding and the storm surge. And we're expected to get rain like this all day along the Texas Gulf Coast. Vlad?
All right, Omar, hoping that everyone in the path of that storm is safe. Thank you very much.